November 20th, early Black Friday sales update. Not much has changed, but I am going to be taking a closer look at these 4070s. These are very popular cards, and guess what? They are pretty much available at Canada Computers here, as you can see, and actually at Best Buy. I was at Best Buy yesterday, and Best Buy had quite a bit of stock, so we're going to take a deeper look into them right now. This is the $40 savings, and if you can actually go into the store, says right here on Canada Computers, this is the in-store exclusive price. You can get that for just shy of $700. So that is the 4070, the overclock version with 12 gigs. Coming over here, we are looking at the 4070 Super. They don't have an in-store exclusive deal at the moment, but you can get that for $559 and get a $20 savings as well. This is another 4070 Super, a little bit cheaper than the previous one from Gigabyte that I showed you earlier. This is the Asus version. Pretty nice card here. Now, I did mention, again, these are available at Best Buy, so you can definitely check them out. They're a little bit more expensive than Canada Computers, so if Canada Computers is not within your general area, you can go ahead and stop at your Best Buy, but you will be paying a little bit more. Now, if you are looking for something on the AMD side that does compete with these cards, not so much the 4070 Super that is generally available. It is this deal right here. This is the 7800 XT. As you can see here, it has 16 gigs of memory compared to the 12 for the 4070 and the 4070 Super. And look at this right here. In-store exclusive price, under $600. I mean, AMD once again, limited time offer. You can see they are just trying to take as much customers away from Nvidia, undercutting in price. So this is a very underrated deal. Now, if you can find it, they aren't available. I've checked. I haven't seen it yet. It is the 7900 GRE. If you can find it, that is another card that competes more with the 4070 Super. But as I mentioned, I didn't see it available, but this is available. I believe it's available in store, limited quantities, but you can also do a delivery as well. That's if you're a little bit on the impatient side and you don't want to wait for the Black Friday madness. I get it, but if you do want to go ahead and get a solid card that kind of competes with that on the AMD side, again, this 7800 XT deal, if you can find it in store, really good in-store inclusive price here on Canada Computers. Generally, I don't find a whole lot of AMD cards available at Best Buy. I've checked. I've just seen Nvidia. Maybe you might find one or two AMD cards, but generally speaking, Best Buy seems to be pretty much stocked up with Nvidia cards, especially the 4070 and the 4070 Super. At least here in Canada. So that is the little caveat there. So that is the quick November 20th update. Again, not a whole lot has changed from the pricing. What I will do is maybe a couple days down the line, I will go ahead and make another video, but this time I will go ahead and sort it based on availability in terms of in-store and delivery. That kinds of cleans up a lot of the sold out madness that we saw in my previous videos, just to make it, I guess, more viewer friendly for everyone that's watching. So those are the quick little deals and the quick little updates for the November 20th early Black Friday sales. You know, not much off here. Well, I guess besides the 7800 XT, this to me is pretty good, in my opinion. Or if you do want to go with Nvidia, you can go ahead and pick up the 4070 here in store, just under $700. Just depends on what your preference is. Again, I'll be bringing you more videos as we get closer down to Black Friday. Sean Sims Tech, I'm out.